Hey everybody, so Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video we are going to be talking about AO. Now as you can see, AO is a to-do list. It's built off of the Microsoft To Do, but it's for Linux, so you can get your Microsoft To Do stuff working on Linux. So to start off we need to install it. Now there are quite a few ways to do this, but in this guide we will be covering the Snap version because most people can run snaps. Doesn't matter what Linux distro you're on, most people are going to be able to run snaps. So we can take this here, open up a terminal. We can also do snap search AO, and we will get AO right here. We can install it with sudo snap install AO, enter the password, and it's going to download everything it needs to run. We've got to check and mount some things. Once it's done, we can search for AO in the app menu. We can launch it like so. First time a snap launch is installed, and launch may take a little bit to start up, but it will start up. Alright, so once AO opens up, you need to log into your account. So I'm going to do that really quick. And the account you need to log into is your Microsoft account because, as you can see, this is the Microsoft To-Do List app. So let's log in. Let's see. So once I am signed in, I see my to-do list. Now, I don't think I have anything set up on my to-do list except for the one here. But if I want to create a task, I can click the Add Task button. And now here I can add whatever task I want. So let's say clean my room and press the Add button. Now this is added to my list. Now if I want to do more with AO, like let's say I want to add a due date, I can do, let's say, tomorrow. And if I want to repeat it, so let's see, weekdays it repeats, so I have to clean my room every day. And I can have a reminder, so like, let's see, tomorrow. And add it to my day. If I want to add it to my day, I can add a category, say this is super important, and I can add files even if I wanted to do that. So pretty cool. All I want to do to check it off is just click the mark as completed. That was really loud. And as you might have heard, there's a really, really loud notification system once you complete stuff, but it works quite well. I think it's really nice. If I didn't already have money spent on Todoist Premium, I would probably use this. It's very, very nice. And thanks to the person here, Klaus Sinani, thanks to him, we were able to get this on Linux. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys enjoy being able to use the Microsoft To-Do List app to manage your stuff with AO on Linux. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video.